We as a WTN are presenting the Sewage Recycle and Reuse Initiative by the Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation. This project focuses on the 5 MLD capacity of sewage treatment plant and further tertiary treatment plant located in Chikhali. The sewage treatment process typically involves several stages. First, primary treatment, which involves the sewage from different locations collect into the receiving chamber, separate pump house and panel room for the safety of electric hazard and noise and vibrations. The pumped sewage into the inlet chamber to screen chamber, where the mechanical screen for removing large debris like plastics and rags. Further, the grit removed from grit chamber by the screw conveyor. This protects downstream equipment from damage. Then, the sewage passes through MBBR tank of secondary treatment, which is the biological heart of the process. Here, microorganisms break down the remaining organic matter. This is done using the activated sludge process, where air is pumped into the tank to support the growth of beneficial bacteria. The overflow from MBBR tank passes through flash mixer, where coagulant chemicals are rapidly and intensely mixed. Further, in secondary clarifier, where the sewage water flows slowly, allowing the clumps of particles to settle to the bottom, which then separates the treated water from the bacterial biomass. A dedicated chlorine contact tank with proper ventilation that minimizes risks in case of leaks or spills. The room is designed to contain the hazard, and this involves disinfection using chlorine to meet stringent water quality standards. Plants employ tertiary treatment for further purification, consisting of filtration to removing colloids and remaining impurities, and stored in treated water tank. A separate blower and MCC panel room isolates the noise, and easy access for effective operation and maintenance without disrupting other plant operations. Integrated sludge pump house, where the generated sludge from clarifier dewatered by making it easier to dispose of with the addition of polymer dosing to improve the efficiency of the dewatering process. The ultrafiltration units is installed downstream of the secondary treatment for enhancing water treatment. Ultrafiltration, where the separation process that removes suspended solids and microorganisms from water, and advantage of high removal efficiency. The air scurrying is often used in conjunction with backwashing to enhance cleaning. The air compressor to actuate the automatic valve by the compressed air. The separate pump for backwashing involves cleaning process that removes accumulated foulants from the membrane surface. The permeate water is pumped back through the membrane in the reverse direction, dislodging the foulants. The dedicated panel for operating the whole plant to make the whole operation flexible. The ultrafiltration treated water is utilized for non-potable applications, including construction purposes, and this treated water is also supplied to the Moshi Kachra Depot Waste to Energy project. Towards the Waste to Energy project integration, the Moshi Kachra Depot houses a fully integrated 14 megawatt waste to energy plant. The tertiary treated water is further polished for use within the facility of polishing the water. This is where advanced treatment technologies like reverse osmosis, demineralization and softening come into play. RO employs a semi-permeable membrane to separate water molecules from dissolved impurities. The RO plant effectively removes a wide range of contaminants. Demineralization plant typically involves ion exchange resins that replace undesirable ions with more acceptable ones, effectively removing virtually all dissolved minerals. DM utilizes cation and anion exchange resins. The resins are periodically regenerated to restore their exchange capacity. The softening plant is used for addressing hardness in water. Softening removes these hardening minerals, typically using a cation exchange resin similar to DM. Purpose of polishing water from the RO, DM and softener plants is specifically used for boiler feed and cooling tower makeup within the waste to energy facility. Our aim is to transforming the wastewater into reusable water, a model for sustainable development by renewing resources, wastewater utilization in the future.